Hello everyone, this is Dr.Tariq Masood. Today I'm going to discuss emotional intelligence model interpersonal relationship. So before my lecture, I used to read a Quranic verse, Rabbi Shrah li Sadri wa Yassir li Amri wa Halal Uqdatum min Lisani Yafqahu Qawli Rabbi Zidni Ilma. I'll try my level best to keep my lecture short and specific. Okay, I'm here emotional intelligence, so later stage work on personality assessment, organization behavior. Interpersonal relationship lesson number 1. Okay, earlier we discussed self perceptions, self expression. I would recommend, please, you can visit and see self perceptions, self expression. Now I'm working on interpersonal relationship. Okay, interpersonal has three segments: interpersonal relationship, empathy, and social responsibility. On laterly at the end of my lecture, so I can conclude with balanced emotion intelligence as interpersonal relationship is concerned. What is interpersonal? Mutual satisfying relationship. Okay, interpersonal relationship, mutually satisfying relationship, subskill is about developing and maintaining mutually relationship and your results, capability to develop relations with compassion, trust, and mutual give and take. Your colleagues support you in getting your job done, and in return, others seek you out because of your approachable demeanor. Few of them you anticipate. You have to build up or currently building up a useful network of colleagues and professionals. Your relationship is very much authentic and you know people on your personal level. You feel ease with people and look forward to engaging in social interactions. Now, impact at work, interpersonal relationship, mutual satisfying relationship, impact at work, emotional implications. Number 1, for you, the relationships are an essential part of life and you are likely heavily invested in making your relationship work. Number 2, one implication of this emotional investment is that you may hide emotions or shy away from making decisions that could potentially cause conflict. Number 3, particularly if you scored high in empathy and low in assertiveness, you should determine if you or your relationship are suffering as a result of withholding your true thoughts and emotion. Okay, interpersonal relationship, mutually satisfying relations, impact at work. Social and behavior implication. You must take an active role in establishing and maintaining your professional relationship at work. Number 2, you probably seen connector, aware of who does what, who knows what, and your job. Number 3, as you continue to build your relationship, it is important to know the boundaries of these interactions. Number 4, failure to recognize when you begin to occupy more and more of your colleagues' time may result in less time allocated to projects, at which point your social interaction may prove costly in job performance. Now, interpersonal relationship strategies for actions. Number 1, recognition goes a long way. Remember to celebrate events that are important to your co-workers but also express recognition on a regular basis. Instances may include birthday, promotion, or recognition for job well done. Number 1, do you know what kind of recognition your co-workers prefer? Not everyone like happy birthday sung at their desk or a reward given in form of their peers. Leverage empathy skills to determine what type of recognition motivates and is appreciated by each of your co-workers. Okay, strategy for action, sharing the truths. Healthy working relationship needs to be based on open communication without fearing that your opinion will cause irreparable damage. Number one, next time you find yourself tempted to hold back your true thoughts for sake of group's happiness. Number two, write down what you really think or feel. Look at these statements and list all the potential positive and negative outcomes that could occur as a result sharing your opinion. Number three, if positives outweigh the negative, rephrase what you want to say, begin with an agreement statement and ending with your true opinion. Number four, bring this new phrase statement to your discussions and be prepared to share it, starting with agreement and ending with your honest thoughts. Okay, now I'm going to conclude balancing emotional intelligence. The last slide, as far as interpersonal relationship is concerned. Interpersonal relationship with self-actualizations, problem solving, and independence. These sub-skills that differ most of the interpersonal relationship problem solving. Improving interplay between these sub-skills is likely to impact your overall emotional intelligence. Interpersonal relationships leading to problem solving. Your interpersonal relationship result is higher than your problem solving results. These components are well balanced when you can leverage relationship with others to help solve problem and recognize how your decision may be affected by others. It's important to consider the opinion of others with being overly influenced by them. So thank you very much for your precious time. My next lecture I'm going to discuss empathy and social responsibility. Thank you very much. Please send your feedback and comments t.masood.dr@bath.edu.